Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Halloween dining room decoration ideas offer a spooky and enchanting way to transform the heart of the home into a haunted feast for the eyes. Embracing the spirit of the season, these creative decoration concepts set the stage for a memorable and festive dining experience. To create an airy ambience, dim the lights and add flickering candles or string lights with orange hues to cast haunting shadows. Start by dressing the dining table with a dark textured tablecloth or a spider web inspired table runner, playful Halloween themed dinerware, and AR glassware can further enhance the spooky atmosphere. Centerpieces feature pumpkins, black crows, or haunted fingers. Bring a touch of macabre charm to the table. Decorate the chairs with the black of orange ribbons and small decorative essence like witch hats or skeleton hats to add a haunting touch. Don't forget to add on the walls with spooky artwork, vintage Halloween posters or garlands made of creepy creatures. Cobwebs draped strategically around the room and fox spiders crawling in unexpected places contribute to the spine-chilling effect. A carved pumpkin or a collection of small gourds can be displayed on a sideboard or as a spooky touch to the serving area. And lastly, rhyme music playing softly in the background completes the Halloween dining room transformation, leaving guests enchanted by the spooky yet captivating atmosphere. Whether hosting a gathering of ghouls or an intimate family dinner, Halloween dining room decoration ideas infuse the space with a sense of fun, intrigue, and delightful frights, making the evening an unforgettable affair. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.